Many people make the mistake of thinking that science and religion don't coexist. Many people think that the simulation theory excludes religion. But it does not. What religion says is that there is a physical world as well as a non-physical multidimensional world. Now, we know that dark matter is 85% of all matter. Quote, "The majority of dark matter is thought to be non-baryonic in nature, possibly being composed of some as yet undiscovered subatomic particles. Its presence is implied in a variety of astrophysical observations, including gravitational effects, which cannot be explained by accepted theories of gravity unless more matter is present than can be seen." Quote, "Dark matter is a form of matter which does not interact in any way with normal matter and electromagnetic waves." What this means is that there are two worlds which coexist. This is often referred to in religion as the demon world or jinn world. As we see in physics, there are laws of which nature obeys, for example Newton's laws of gravitation. Every particle reacts to each other in a certain way. That's why some scientists openly state that organisms which obeys their laws of nature are algorithms. Algorithm is a set of rules, for example, the equation of bacterial reproduction. This also means that these algorithms can be copied and put in a computer simulation which is based on the mathematical and physical explanation reaction observed. Now there's only one physical thing in the universe which doesn't follow its own algorithm/set of rules. And do you know what that is? Human beings. Humans have their free will and consciousness. This means that they are able to reflect and choose their own path. They don't have to make a baby each time they have sex. They can choose to use prevention. Before you had to obey the rule, now you can choose not to. It's important to say that consciousness is not a physical thing, it's a higher dimensional thing. What religion also says is that when humans got the knowledge of good and evil, I state this means that they got free will because now they could reflect upon their own actions, if an action is good or if it's bad. This is the story of Adam and Eve and the apple. It separated them from the animals, which are not aware of their actions and don't reflect on it and follow their rules of nature and evolution. It was the snake, Satan/Iblis, which is an entity living in the non-physical world, who tricked Adam and Eve to do it. Now after this, God intervened. It's from this point a part of the simulation stopped being simulated, and from here the Bible and the old texts and religion starts. The reason that Judaism, Christianity and Islam, which is human interpretation of God's intervention, acknowledges the same story is because it is the same story, from the same source, only separated in time and prophets. Judaism is the first and it excludes the other two, Jesus and Muhammad. Christianity is the second and it includes Judaism, meaning David and Moses and the texts, but it's interpreted in their own way, and they exclude the last one, Muhammad. And finally, Islam includes all of them, Jesus, Moses, David and their own Muhammad, all of the previous prophets and stories, even giving insight on some misinterpreted stories by the other two, mostly regarding Jesus. Islam is the full religion, the other two lack the whole story. The most important thing to say is that religion also says that Satan/Iblis rules this world. It's his rules which humans follow blindly or not, and it says that there will come a dangerous time ahead. Every religion actually speaks about end times and the coming of the false prophet. What this means is that the religions should set aside their differences and work together against their common enemy. We all worship the same God, so it's crucial that we work together, because when time comes and Antichrist, Dajjal is here, we will all be persecuted.